This 2021 Nissan Rogue SV with the premium package has the Scarlet Ember Tintcoat premium exterior paint. It is on a gray leatherette seating trim, so it stands out incredibly nice. Now, this vehicle is completely redone. You'll notice the wider letters on the Rogue really stand out. You'll notice the V-motion grille, the more sporty stance over its predecessor. You'll notice also the nice 18-inch alloy wheels. Additionally, as we're coming across the top, you'll notice that it has the power panoramic moonroof that is a part of that premium package. This vehicle came with a premium package. It came with splash guards, chrome rear bumper protector, premium paint, the floor mats. That premium package gave you leatherette. It gives you a heated leather wrap steering wheel, heated front seats, second row door sunshades, power lift gate, and power panoramic moonroof and the roof rails. Now coming across the interior, you'll see that nice two-tone, the nice brush applique on the power windows and power locks right there. Coming across the dash, you'll notice the D-shaped steering wheel, the nice two-tone coming across the dash. Love the way that the display is more at eye level there. Now taking a closer look at the leatherette seating surface. Easier to keep clean than cloth, easy to wipe down, very durable. Got the butterfly center console, lots of storage, cup holders, the new shifter. This vehicle does have a power driver's seat, so we'll see that real quick on the driver's side with lumbar. All right, that's with the sunshade down coming across that back door. You'll notice that you have your rear vents right there. Notice your USB port. Coming across the back seat. Zero gravity design on the front seats to help prevent driver fatigue. There's the armrest. Lots of leg room in the rear. This is with the sunshade up. Very nice feature. Lots of cargo space. Your location of your spare tire. And this has the power lift gate. Lots of room for the gear, whether it's soccer or other activities. Coming more across the dashboard. Going to give you a close-up look on your steering wheel. Volume controls on one side and the advanced driver display control. Pro Pilot Assist, which is a lane keeping system, is that blue button you just saw. Sirius XM is a subscription service. It is equipped on this vehicle with that radio. Auto climate control, push button start. A more closer look at that modern shifter. Very easy to use, by the way. This vehicle is stunning inside and out, very clean lines. You'll notice it has an SOS button. You'll want to ask your sales associate about Nissan Connect services or see our video on the exceptional benefits of that. There's another look at the panoramic moonroof. Adds great light into the vehicle, gives it more of an open feel. All right, you got your intelligent around view monitor. Gives you a great look at both the rear. MOD stands for moving object detection. You get more of a 360-degree viewpoint with the other cameras in that system. I'm going to demonstrate the drive modes real quick for you. You'll notice the advanced driver display. You got Sport, Standard, and Eco. Paddle shifters. For those that like a little bit more control and a sporty feel. Advanced safety, so you can see that you have your lane, blind spot, emergency brake, and so forth on the advanced safety. And that wraps it up, folks.